In question 6, you have to simplify, means you have to solve it. So monomial with first term multiply monomial with second term. Same way monomial with first term multiply monomial with second term. So let's go for the question. So monomial multiply second term. Similarly here monomial multiply first term minus monomial multiply second term. अब आप क्या करेंगे, इन टर्म्स को आपस में सॉल्व करेंगे. So this will become a power 3b and here it will become a b power 3 and this is b power 3a and here it will become 2b power 4. 3 plus 1 so b power 4. अब आप यहाँ पर if you will see it, क्या आपको कोई टर्म्स एक जैसी दिख रही हैं? Yes, this is b power 3a and this is also b power 3a. One is plus, another is minus. तो ये दोनों आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगी. So final result will be a power 3b minus 2b power 4. Okay, because these are the like terms. एक जैसी terms हैं. So but one is minus, one is plus, so it will be cancelled out. In second part, same procedure, monomial with first term multiply with second term, monomial with first term and multiply monomial with second term. So monomial with first term and multiply monomial with second term. Similarly here, monomial with first term multiply monomial with second term. अब आप क्या करेंगे, इन टर्म्स को सॉल्व करेंगे by using the exponent concept. So minus 6 x power 3y, here it will become minus 12 x square y square. This will be minus 6 y square x square and minus 3 y power 3. अब हमें यहाँ पर भी we have to see whether there is any like terms. देखिए, like term means the variable power should be same. This is x square y square and this is also x square y square. So both of them are like terms. तो इन दो terms को हम further solve करेंगे and we will write the remaining terms as it is. So minus 6 x3y x3y. अब देखिए ये -12 है, ये -6, so -12 -6 is -18 and this like term variable you will write it only once. Okay, -12 -6 that is -18 and x square y square you will write it only once. So this will be the your final answer. अब अगर आप यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, देयर इज नो लाइक टर्म्स. लाइक टर्म मीन्स कि पावर उनकी वेरिएबल्स की पावर सेम होनी चाहिए. सो देयर इज नो लाइक टर्म्स, सो दिस विल बी द फाइनल आंसर. In third part, again same procedure we will be following. Multiply them like this, first and second, first and second. So 2x multiply x minus 2x multiply y square. Similarly for the next part, 3y multiply xy minus 3y multiply 2x. For the last part, xy multiply x minus xy multiply y. अब क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट स्टेप, you will solve these terms, these multiplication terms together. So this will be 2x power 2 minus 2x y square minus 3x y square. This will be minus 6 xy and here it will be minus x square y, and this will be minus x y square. Again we will observe the like terms, whether it has any like terms. देखिए ये एक्स वाई स्क्वायर है, this is also xy square, and this is also xy square. So these three terms we will solve it together, and in the remaining terms there is no like terms, so that terms we will be writing as it is. अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, these like terms. Here इसके आगे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा, so it means its term is 1. Okay, now minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 and minus 1. So this is minus 6, and this like term you will write it only once. Once again, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. So if you will solve it, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 and minus 1, so minus 6. और इस like term को, वेरिएबल को आप एक ही बार लिखेंगे. Now write the remaining terms. Minus 6xy minus x square y. So this is the answer of third part. I hope all these parts are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.